We just finished installing a new bathroom in our home, and I had to share this VENLUS 22 by 30 inch black frame mirror. It completely transformed this space and really upgraded it. After seeing everything all put together, I'm seriously in love. The glass is shatterproof tempered and it's really clear, so there's no weird warping or distortions. It's great for makeup, skincare, shaving, or just having a quick look. The aluminum frame with rounded corners gives it kind of that modern, clean look, but it also works with farmhouse or kind of shabby chic industrial vibes. And you can hang it vertically, horizontally, or just lean it against the wall for that beautiful decorative touch. It was really easy to install. Everything was included, and it instantly gave my bathroom that beautiful, finished, high-quality feel. Honestly, I was really impressed at just how much of an impact a little mirror like this made. And the 22 by 30 size was actually bigger than I thought it would look. If you're redoing your bathroom or you just want a little upgrade, I highly recommend you check this one out. Check out the link below to grab yours today.